Cachengo has pioneered a new form factor of supercomputer that is 1/10 the cost and consumes 1/15 the power of today's servers. Cachengo hardware is easy to scale while providing high availability at the edge. Cachengo is the only end-to-end edge cloud solution that captures, analyzes, and distributes data where it happens. There are two flagship hardware products shipping today, the Bento and the Pizza Box. Bento is the size of a small book and can fit up to 8 smart nodes in an 8x5-inch form factor. Bento can easily be installed on light poles, placed inside smart vehicles, and built into factories with only 50 watts of power. The Pizza Box comes in a 1U chassis that can scale up to 32 smart nodes. This type of density has never been achieved in the history of edge computing. We use commodity ARM processors that are typically used in tablets and Chromebooks. These chips are embedded with GPU technology to allow for AI and machine learning environments. ARM processors use much less power than the popular high-end Intel and AMD processors on the market today. This allows us to reduce costs and achieve tremendous power savings. Symbiote is a new smart drive that is packed into each Bento and Pizza. Each drive becomes a standalone computational node that can easily be deployed. This flexibility allows us to scale more than 4,000 Symbiotes in a single rack. By processing analytics directly on the drive, we're able to reduce data sent across the network, resulting in lower TCO and reducing backhaul by a factor of 200,000 to 1. Our cutting-edge software IP pulls all servers across the network together with Hive Connect. Hive Connect is cloud native and can pool resources across multiple clouds. We designed a graphical user interface called Hive Portal that enables users to easily deploy their applications at the edge. Hive Portal enables applications to run as a container on top of our software stack with resources spread across multiple sites. New applications and services can be installed in minutes via drag and drop. Because there is no longer a need for a VPN, there is zero risk of man-in-the-middle or DOS attacks. There are several use cases for this groundbreaking technology. The possibilities are endless as the world is constantly evolving. Cachengo will power the smart cities of tomorrow by creating a cloud-like experience without the physical constraints of large data centers. Facial recognition and infrared sensors will allow for real-time temperature checks and contact tracing for densely populated cities. The future of 5G will rely on a scalable network of smart cell towers that are easy to deploy in rural areas. By having the capability to support O-RAN, we are able to power the next generation of 5G infrastructure. Bento and Pizza have the capability to replace the big monolithic servers that are used today. It's the difference between rural broadband internet costing $400 a month versus $30 a month. It's the difference between 157 million Americans having no access to broadband internet versus Americans having the ability to be connected. We have the chance to finally solve the last mile problem once and for all. Cachengo isn't just another server made for the edge. Cachengo is the edge.